Well, I'm on the farm here today, and I've got my International 886, and I have my John Deere 335 round baler, and I've got it pulled up here because I have the mother of all plugs on this baler. Don't ask me how that happened. Well, I kind of know. And I got the gate up, the back gate up, and the safety lock's in place. Hay's wrapped around that roll right there, and it's just a big mess. Snapped shear pin. This baler doesn't have a slip clutch, so snapped a shear bolt, and but it happens, and it has happened more than once with this baler, but it's usually short, really short straw like hay that's just dried out. And I mean, it's usually, when I have trouble with it, it's stuff like this, and it falls down off the belts on top of the pickup, and then gets jammed into the belts and causes belt slippage and such. But so somehow, you get a plug like this, and you gotta get down on your knees and back and crawl around in there, and so it can be right futile pulling on the hay, and that's typically what I guess everybody does. But what I like to do is I like to get a hay hook and just reach up in there and start pulling, and then I feel like I've got a little bit of leverage. And let's see what happens here. Down on my back. But, it's one thing to pull like that. It's another thing to do that. And, does it get all of it? Do you still got to get up in there with your hands? Yeah, but you can really pull some hay out of there, and I've already done some on that side. But anyway, I'm gonna keep going, and but using the hay hook to clear the pull hay out of this pickup on the front and the back is a good idea. I'll talk to you later.